How to change country of Gmail account. So here's a guide on how to do so. If you do not want to change it on your Google account or any Google Pays, YouTube or billing options, so this is only tied to your Gmail account. First of all, open the Gmail on your device, then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen, the settings icon, then navigate to the settings. Inside settings, tap on the select all settings option available there. Now tap on the general option available from the tab at the top. Then in the general you can see language option available. Choose your preferred language and scroll down and tap on the save changes option available there. So choose language according to your preferences of countries or region. Then once done so scroll down and there you'll get to see save changes option available there, and that is it. So as you can see I've already changed my language. Now once I save it, the Gmail will be changed to the language I've just chose. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.